Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will discuss on how to earn money in business. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share. Please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. How to earn money in business. There are many ways to earn money in business, and the strategies that work best for you will depend on your industry, market, and specific goals. Here are some tips that may help. Number 1. Understand your target market. Identify your ideal customers and what they need, and then tailor your products or services to meet those needs. Number 2. Focus on creating value. Offer a unique value proposition that sets you apart from your competitors. This can be achieved through providing exceptional customer service, offering high-quality products or services, or providing a better user experience. Number 3. Develop a strong brand. Build a brand that customers trust and that reflects the values and mission of your business. Number 4. Establish a pricing strategy. Determine the right price for your products or services that allows you to remain competitive while still generating a profit. Number 5. Diversify your income streams. Explore different revenue streams such as selling complementary products, offering add-on services, or developing partnerships. Number 6. Monitor your finances. Keep track of your expenses and revenues to ensure that you are making a profit, and identify areas where you can cut costs. Number 7. Stay up to date with the industry trends. Stay informed about new developments in your industry and adapt your business strategies accordingly. Number 8. Network and build relationships. Establish connections with other professionals in your industry and collaborate with them on projects or events. Number 9. Continuously innovate. Keep innovating and improving your products or services to meet the changing needs of your customers. Remember that success in business takes time, effort, and persistence. By implementing these tips, you can increase your chances of earning money and growing your business. Okay guys, so this is the end of my video talk about how to earn money in business. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Thank you so much for listening and watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.